Hi. So the user Nobite on Reddit asked how we can make images that resemble this creepy style, and it's such a great style, so I had to try it. And I didn't want to go with the LoRa and the training stuff and losing time, and just do a quick thing. So we're going to use IPAdapters style transfer in order to get it. We can either use strong or regular style transfer, but we will get to that in a second. Just trying to see that if it works, and we will write a short prompt. A special breed of cat near a ramen shop. This is after I set up everything already, and just for a try. I'm going to speed things up here because why waste our time while the GPU is working? It's not going to take too long. Bam. Okay. Looks similar to the style. It is a special kind of breed next to a ramen shop. What happens if we try it without the IP adapter? Let's see. Fast forward this. Yay, our cat is in front of a ramen shop. Now because I already made the workflow, I don't want to just hand it over and then you won't learn anything from it. Let's make it together. That way we can memorize the proper way to build a simple workflow. We're not trying to make it look too pretty now, just, just to be quick about it. We've done it quite a few times already. So loading the checkpoint. Choosing the model, I'm choosing Humble Mikey's Pixel Wave Accelerated version 10. Amazing, great, very versatile kind of model. Bringing the clip text to the prompts. Throwing a video via decode, a K-sampler. Connecting everything together. And then we will only need the empty latent image. And by the way, because this is an SDXL, we can also we don't have to type it manually every time. We can just, shameless plug for my own node, the Clinter size selector, just get it from the Comfy Manager, and then you can connect the width and the length from the setups. If there is any resolution that you think that should be there, let me know. I will add it quite heavily. We're choosing the one-on-one kind of resolution, the aspect ratio. We don't need we don't need something too fancy here. We just want to do it quick. Writing the prompt. Yeah, of course, I'm gonna need to throw the latent into something. I just forgot about it. Creating image and generate. Again, the magic of fast forward. Yeah, an image. The settings for Pixel Wave Accelerated are 12 steps, 2.5 CFG, DP, MPP, SDE, and Keras. And that will get you a nice image every time. All right, we got the simple and very straightforward kind of text-to-image workflow here, and we're adding the IP adapter. I'm using IPAdapter Advanced for this because we want to do several things, and we're going to load the unified loader, IPAdapter unified loader node, connecting the model and the IP adapter to it, choosing the plus, that's the highest strength of IPAdapter LoRa, and we're going to need to load an image for it, right? Forgive my default image, we're going to use a different one. I already downloaded the images from the Reddit post, and we're going to use them as inspiration for our images. We want more than one image, so I'm using now the image batch multi node from Kijai. Just get as many images as you like to nail that, to lock in that style that you wish to use. connect everything together. Now, and connect it to the image. Now, because we don't want our images to look like the things that are inside the images, we are taking the image from the batch and use them as the image negative as well. Not just the image, but also the image negative. That means that the IP adapter will borrow the style of the images, but not the content of the images. Connecting everything to the model pipeline and generating. It might take a while, depending on your computer, of course, but let's fast forward this. Yay, an alien in a dumpster. What a pleasant surprise. um, yeah, and it looks like in the same style, the creepy and bad photography style. You don't need to get really extensive prompting for it because you're already taking the visual styles elements from the images that we're using in the IP adapter. A different kind of prompt for a small check. For dogs eating hummus is the best prompt ever. Well, ugly beautiful, ugly delicious. So I understand we cannot finish the tutorial with such an image, and I also need to do a YouTube thumbnail. So while we're at it, let's try that. And I'm gonna just change the style of the image into an epic mural kind of thing. I already downloaded a few images that I liked on the Midjourney's page, so I'm gonna use them as the style. And you can use whatever you like and you can get really interesting results. You must think about what your model is capable of doing, because if the model is not capable of doing certain images or styles, it probably still lean back to whatever it can do by itself. But it usually works. So four dogs eating hummus epic mural for our thumbnail. While it's generate, just a reminder, I am a YouTuber now, so please like, subscribe, and give me a comment and show me what you've done. If you generated anything, I want to see. Thank you very much for listening or watching, and I hope it bring you some value. Goodbye.